Ready to dive into the wild world of Memecoins on the Solana blockchain using your Phantom wallet? First, make sure you have the Phantom wallet installed and funded with some SOL, the Solana blockchain's native token. You can download it from Phantom app. And setting it up is as straightforward as setting up any other crypto wallet. Then, navigate to a reputable decentralized exchange, or DEX, like Radium or Orca. These platforms allow you to swap SOL for other Solana-based tokens, including the Memecoins. You're looking for. Connect your Phantom wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet icon and select Phantom from the options. Next, find the Memecoin you wish to purchase by searching for its ticker or contract address in the DEX's token selection field. Contract addresses are important for verifying you're trading the correct Memecoin and reducing the chances of scams. Before you swap, remember Memecoins are incredibly risky. Do your own research. DYOR understand the project, its community, and the risks involved. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Once you are comfortable, enter the amount of SOL you want to trade for the Memecoin and carefully review the transaction details, including slippage, which helps ensure your trade goes through even with price fluctuations. Then confirm the transaction in your Phantom wallet. After the transaction is confirmed, go back to your Phantom wallet, and you should see your newly acquired Memecoins reflected in your balance. Congratulations, you've invested in a Memecoin. Finally, enhance the security of your speculative journey by enabling transaction confirmations in your Phantom wallet settings. Remember, securing your assets is key when navigating the exciting, yet often volatile, world of Memecoin investing. Good luck!